Good morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure for me to talk about how great leaders unite others. A great leader is like a captain of a ship or a coach of a team. They bring people together to work towards a goal. Let's see how leaders can help others. Firstly, a leader. Firstly, good leaders listens and cares. A great leader listens to others and cares about their feelings. Let's say we are playing with our friends. A leader makes sure everyone gets a turn and no one feels left out. Look at this picture. These children are playing together. Everyone looks happy because they are including each other. Secondly, a leader encourages and inspires. A leader always says positive words. For example, a leader usually uses words like, "You can do it, I believe in you." This makes people feel strong and happy. See these words on my poster. They make people strong and happy. Thirdly, a great leader works as a team. Imagine uh, building a big puzzle together. In this picture, everyone is helping and the puzzle is almost finished because they work together. Uh, so a great leader listens and encourages and works as a team. If we do these things, we also can be great leaders too. So, uh, be be kind and help each other. Stay united. Thank you.